Hey everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to block or unblock access to another website on your iPhone. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is we have to go to the settings. Now from here you have to scroll it down all the way down and navigate to the screen time. Now from here you have to scroll it down and navigate to the content and privacy restrictions. Now from here what you need to do is you have to click on App Store, Media and Web Games. Now from here you have to tap on web content, and right now we need to change this to limit adult website over here. Give your passcode, the screen time passcode should be given here. So this is my passcode. Now either you can add the website that you wanted to add, just copy paste the URL over here. Then afterwards, like I said, it will be limiting this to adult website, and only if you need only particular website to be used on your device, you can just go to only approved website here. Now from here you can select these kind of website for example, and also moreover if you scroll it down you can add the website that you wanted, you can give a title, and also you can copy paste the URL here. Then afterwards, while you're using your Safari, like I said, it will be restricted either to the limited website that you have saved so far, only for approved website in the case. And if you wanted to change it back, then what you need to do is you can keep to unrestricted so that you can browse any kind of website on your iPhone. So this is how we can do it, and I hope this quick video is helpful. That's it. Bye.